introducing you to the audiences. Yes, so we are live. Good evening, everyone. I'm Assistant Professor Poonam Bajaj, and today we have got Dr. Nupur Krishnan here. She is a practicing clinical nutritionist for more than 20 years and has been successfully running biologistics nutrition clinic at Kuf Parade, Mumbai. She has worked for 5 years with Asian Heart Institute, Bandra, Mumbai, as the head of the Department of Dietetics and Clinical Nutrition. She has given outstanding results as a consultant nutritionist to some of the eminent personalities of India, which includes Sri Prithviraj Chauhan, who is the former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Mahesh Manjrekar, Mr. Ashutosh Rana, and Mr. Boman Irani, the famous Bollywood actors, Mumbai Marathon runners, and employees of Tata Steel Limited, and a panel nutritionist of Tata Steel. She has been part of many employees of Tata Steel, and she has been a part of many panel discussions as an eminent speaker and have received innumerable awards and appreciation certificate for her remarkable performance in the field of nutrition and health. She has also been providing key contributions towards making a healthy India by participating as a medical team nutritionist at the health awareness and checkup camps organized for the wellness of children, women, rural people, also the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, the Food and Drug Administration, SRPF, Police Department, as well as the Indian Railways and corporate employees, Navy, and the Armed Forces. She is currently an honored panel member to the consultant nutritionist at the Indian Railway Hospital, Mumbai. Being a reputed clinical nutritionist with proven experience of more than 2 decades in the field of health and nutrition, she wants to reach more population and provide them with health benefits. Health primarily revolves around the food we consume, and therefore, according to Dr. Nupur, by educating people about healthy food habits, the health of the family can be taken care, which plays a significant role in the productivity and the prosperity of the nation. So here we've got Dr. Nupur Krishnan, and I'll hand over the screen to Dr. Nupur to start with a presentation. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Am I visible? And can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Thank you for the kind introduction, Professor Bajaj. My field is medical nutrition therapy. Medical nutrition science is a vast topic. If I speak for an hour, still it will go on. I'll try to speak for an hour and I'll summarize, explain in a simple language and try to cover all the topics. See, nutrition and health is always a complementary to each other. But after this pandemic, people are realizing the importance of health and the power of nutrition. After seeing me in front of you, I'm sure you must be having n numbers of questions in your mind. Though always I speak in my health session interactive way, I used to ask some question from the audience and they used to ask me also. So before the session, I got few queries. I had picked up only 3 queries and I'll try to summarize the whole 45-50-minute presentation into that. But first, let me guide you 3 questions I'll put forward in front of you. I'll reply in short and then I'll proceed for my presentation. See, first question, there is a gentleman who has asked, what should be the diet for immunity? And does any superfood which can increase my immunity? Gentlemen, there is no quick fixed diet for immunity. And not a single superfood can do wonders in a day, week, or month. Next explanation I'll give through my presentation because it's a lengthy topic. So I'll cover. Filal, in short, I replied you. Second question I got, I'm suffering to lose my weight. And I try to normalize my cholesterol and diabetes. I had done throughout of my life n number of fashionable, seasonal, different types of diet. But I'm still almost in the same condition. So she is Namrata, her name. So Namrata, do something which can be practically possible and achievable. And it should be way of your life, as per your lifestyle, as per your routine, as per suiting your routine. Rather doing just drastic changes, something which can sustain for long, rather than just week, for a month, for the particular wedding, particular function in the house. Health, beauty, anti-aging in your hand. It should be way of life, ना कि time limitations होना चाहिए. So I'll elaborate this point in my presentation. Third and last question I'm picking. I'm totally scared of fat, cholesterol, nuts, and confused about which cooking oil I should use. And can I eat ghee and butter? Yes, gentlemen, you can eat ghee and butter. I'll tell you in the fat slide. I have many slides on fat, cholesterol, cooking oil. I'll explain in that. You should not be scared of fat. Fat is very important part of our food. It's a very important part of macronutrient and it is very important part of our body. अगर आपको young दिखना है, आपको anti aging रखनी है अपनी body में, जल्दी आप बूढ़े नहीं दिखने चाहिए, तो फैट को अपना दोस्त बनाइए. फैट से डरिए मत, because फैट ही है जो हमारी intestine को stimulate करता है to release a hormone which is named cholecystokinin, which suppress or control your appetite. So मैक्सिमम काम तो फैट नहीं कर दिया, आपको यंग भी बना दिया, आपके फूड को भी कंट्रोल में कर लिया, आपकी एपेटाइट भी ज्यादा नहीं होने दी, तो हाउ इट कैन बी, हाउ यू कैन स्केयर फ्रॉम द फैट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो लॉकडाउन, पैंडेमिक, तो कोरोना वायरस पैंडेमिक पे काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं. सो लेट मी गाइड यू वन बाय वन. व्हाई आई चूज दिस माइंडफुल ईटिंग subject? Because mindful eating इसलिए मैंने चूज किया, our body has two clock. One is a biological clock, second is a psychological clock. Biological clocks takes care our physical health and blood parameter. Psychological clock takes care our mental health and hormones regulation. So jab, whenever we are taking care for our biological clock and psychological clock, our metabolism will be regular and will be healthy. So we have to eat, procure, we have to combine, we have to gather perishable, non-perishable food items by keeping in our mind to satisfy our biological clock and psychological clock. So this is our duty to take care our biological clock and psychological clock. I'll elaborate this point in next slide also. So basically the foundation of good health and the basic health mantra, you need to take care only these basic health mantras and you will be healthy. Lifestyle 30%. Chew well. Sip your drink. Don't gulp your drinks. Sound sleep. Kitna so paate ho without medicine. And whenever you are sleeping, it's a sound sleep. You are waking with a fresh mood or you are still feeling tired. If somebody is suffering from sinus or some kind of nasal congestion, so are you doing nasal steaming at least 3 times a week? Skipping any meal. Nowadays, I am sure people must be skipping meals because they feel they will gain weight. No, you should not. Never. I'll tell you how. Exercise also very important. 20% oxygen molecule, pure oxygen molecule should go inside your body, and it will oxidize and it will not allow fat, carbohydrate, and protein to deposit inside the body. That is oxygen responsibility. So try to inhale, exhale, try to do a lot of breathing exercise. That is very important. 50% only diet as per your, based on your physical and blood parameter, your diet. We can be healthy through medicines. We can. This is our choice. If you want to cure or control our diabetes, or if you want to cure and control our acidity, you can see in the slide. But you can see the side effects of drugs on nutrient. That is also important. Those who are suffering from diabetes and polycystic ovary syndrome must be consuming metformin or any kind of recommended medicine for diabetes and polycystic ovary syndrome. But the side effect will be depletion of muscles. Vitamin B12 will decrease. That is the side effect. Nobody can deny that. People suffering from blood pressure, they are consuming some kind of BP tablet, which has tranquilizers, and tranquilizers try to increase your uric acid. For uric acid, you have to be on a xyluric tablet. So it's a vicious circle. One tablet will invite to other tablet. So it's your choice whether you want to cure your ailments through nutrition, through nutrient, or through medicine, or through drugs. Oral contraceptive, vitamin B12, B, folate, depriving in the body. Antacid decreases the absorption of iron. People are suffering from acidity. If they are popping up every day or weekly, frequently, उनका hemoglobin हमेशा down रहता है. So these are the reasons. If you are on corticosteroids, it will increase your appetite. You will not get satisfied by eating whatever the portion as per your body. So these are the side effects of drugs on nutrient. The choice is yours. I'll explain this uric acid example. Suppose the customized diet is very important. A person food, one person food can be poison for other person. Suppose a person consuming, suffering from high uric acid, and if you go on social media, you will get the knowledge, high protein diet. You need to restrict pulses, non-veg item, whatever the protein rich food item you have to omit because of this high uric acid. No. You need to go into the root cause of the problem. You need to find out the root cause of your problem by checking your uric acid. And if uric acid on higher side, you have to omit few food items like ragi, which is very healthy, strawberries, which is very healthy, almonds, which is very healthy. You have to try to omit few food items for certain time. Instead of consuming, popping xyluric tablet, you have to just switch on these items like coconut water, pineapple, horse gram dal, alfalfa seed, because this will decrease the phytate and oxalate, and these food item, coconut water, pineapple, horse gram dal और horse gram dal का पानी और alfalfa seed और उसका चाट या उसका पानी will decrease oxalate and phytates through your urine. It will extract through your urine these items. But you need to understand healthy item like ragi, strawberries and almonds, which are always on a healthier side. You have to omit for some time. So you need to understand whatever you are eating, it should be as per your lifestyle, as per your current physical parameter, as per your present blood parameter, current blood parameter. Then you can go on further. So we need to understand हमारे घर का राशन, whatever the perishable item, non-perishable items, the type of cooking, and the combination of food, which can give you proper absorption, bioavailability, absorption power will increase if you'll do things in a right way. होता क्या है normally? Confused mind and wrong decisions. I wish this could be interactive session, so I could ask many questions, but अभी तो मैं खुद ही क्वेश्चन करूंगी, आपसे खुद ही आंसर दे दूंगी. So I'm sure everybody must be consuming tomato, which is in form of salad, right? But tomato will get absorbed in the body once you will cook it. It has very powerful antioxidant, lycopene. Tomato has lycopene antioxidant, which is a very powerful antioxidant that will get absorbed in the body once you will cook it. So tomato soup, tomato puree, tomato in your sabji, tomato in your dal, it's fine. But if you are consuming tomato in salad, it will go waste. Second point, sweet potato. I'm sure sweet potato नाम सुन के ही सब डर जाते होंगे. Sweet potato is very good rich source of vitamin D and B12. And we must consume, but steam it. Cooking technique. Do not boil it. Even potato, those who are not diabetic, they can, or obesity वगैरह problem नहीं है, so आप potato use कर सकते हो. But if you roast potato, bake potato or sweet potato, the glycemic load will not increase. It will be healthy for you. The moment you are opting wrong cooking method, the nutrient gets spoiled. Whatever the nutrients are there, it will give you wrong effect because you are altering the chemical composition or structure of that particular food item. So, right combination, right cooking method is very important of your health. So, ध्यान रखिए इस बात का. Third point, I'm sure 98% people must be having fruits as a dessert after the lunch, after the dinner. Then we think, oh, I'm diabetic or I will get diabetes if I'll eat sugar, if I'll eat sweets. No, fruit has fructose sugar. It is very healthy sugar. Even diabetic can have fruits, all the fruits. And normal also can have fruit, जो non-diabetic है. But if you are consuming, whether you are diabetic or non-diabetic, if you're consuming fruits after your meal, after your breakfast, immediately after your lunch, as a dessert, after your dinner, the glycemic load will increase and that will not be healthy for you. So try to have fruits before your meal, like before your breakfast, before your lunch, before your dinner, not after the meal. You can enjoy mango. I had given a lot of talk on mangoes also many times, People asking जब मैंगो का सीजन आता है कि can we have mango? Yes, of course. Even those who are my client, they are reducing 20 kg, 15 kg, 10 kg, 25 kg. I allow them 2 months time है मैंगो का, अप्रैल टिल जून बस. जनवरी से अगर आप मैंगो खा रहे हो, यू आर ऑन रिस्क. और वैसे तो बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना वायरस वी हैव टू वॉश. नाउ द प्रोटोकॉल हैज कम. We have to follow. We don't have choice for fruits and vegetable washing. But ideally, washing is a standard rule. जो भी आप घर में फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल ला रहे हो उसको आपको वॉश करना ही अच्छे से. सेम चाहे वो आप मैंगो खा रहे हो, चाहे वो एप्पल खा रहे हो, चाहे आप वाटरमेलन ले रहे हो, कोई भी फ्रूट आप ले रहे हो, यू हैव टू थॉरोली वॉश ईदर विद द salty water or baking soda or potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate से अगर आप धो रहे हो KMNO4 से, तो again you have to wash with the plain water. That is also important. तो ध्यान रखिए. So if you want to enjoy your fruits, please have it, but not after the meal. I'm sure many of you must not be knowing hing. Hing is very important ingredient of your kitchen. You must use if you want good digestion. See, the idea behind this talk, we know each and everything, but we hardly follow what should be the good things for us. We hardly follow. So you should start your health first from your lifestyle, first from your kitchen ingredient. Right combination, right cooking methods are very important. Potato, sprouted dal होती है, अगर sprouted potato हो तो it will give you toxins. So never use sprouted potato for cooking. It has harmful toxins. Baked potato, roast potato is very good. It's richest source of B complex. So you can have. And B complex का क्या रोल है वो मैं आपको विटामिन्स वाले सेक्शन में बताऊंगी. You should know the quality of rice and dal in your kitchen. बहुत से लोग पूछते हैं डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स कि मैं चावल खा सकता हूँ कि नहीं. खा सकते हैं आप चावल, राइस खा सकते हैं, बट अगर आप तैयार किया हुआ, खुशबू वाला, पॉलिश किया हुआ, जिसके सारे जो गुण थे जब वो क्रॉप से आया है, जो उसमें गुण थे बी कॉम्प्लेक्स के, जो भी चीजें होती हैं उसमें बहुत सारा है उसके अंदर, सो वो उसको पॉलिश कर दिया गया. अगर पॉलिश राइस खाओगे तो वो हार्म ही करेगा ना आपको. सी ये बासमती एंड पॉलिश राइस, अगर आप पॉलिश दाल अगर खा रहे हो, आपने उसको स्टोर कर लिया तेल वेल लगाकर काफी टाइम तक के लिए, तो दीज थिंग्स ओके फॉर वंस इन ए व्हाइल, but it is not healthy for regular routine for sure. So correct your kitchen ingredient, very important. Washing vegetables and fruits mandatory now though. It is, although it is earlier also, but hardly people follow. Now we have to follow, no choice. So this, either you can wash your fruits and vegetables with salty water or with your baking soda or with your potassium permanganate. It's your choice. Depends कि आप क्या चीज यूज कर रहे हो. Don't peel your vegetable because there are a lot of nutrient density on the surface. Just scrub it. Just scrub it. Like carrot, potato, these kind of items, just scrub it. Don't peel it, because lots of nutrient will go waste otherwise. So confused mind and wrong decisions will definitely trouble you. Alert mind and right decisions, very important. Chew well. आज ही एक वेबिनार और हुआ था इस टाइम से पहले. दे आस्क्ड मी कि हम गुलाब जामुन, रसमलाई, ये सब चीजें खा सकते हैं क्या. I said, being a nutritionist, I will say and I will recommend these things are also important. You must have once in a month, must have, but शांति से खाना है. जैसे 20 सेकंड्स तक आपको हाथ धोने हैं ना, तब जाके आपके हाथ क्लीन होंगे. ऐसे जब आप गुलाब जामुन का जब टुकड़ा अपने मुंह में डालेंगे, 1/4 पीस, पूरा आधा गुलाब जामुन नहीं, 1/4 piece of your teaspoon you must put in your mouth and just close your eyes and enjoy it. Then your indriya, your senses will get satisfaction of gulab jamun. Then you will not get craving. This applies for all the wrong food and all kind of junk food. I never say no to these items. But frequency and quantity, we can only fix. If you are consuming your one gulab jamun for 25 minutes, धीरे धीरे उसको बिल्कुल आपकी पूरी senses satisfy हो जाए, then you will not get craving. So try करिए, craving आपकी body में नहीं आनी चाहिए. Chew well. Chew well का एक second reason और भी है. Below our jaw there is a salivary glands. वो salivary glands एक ptyalin enzyme निकालते हैं. वो ptyalin enzyme is digestive in nature. जो chewable food होता है उसको हम bolus बोलते हैं. That should get mixed. The ptyalin enzyme should get mixed properly with your chewed food called bolus. Then indigestion, acidity, burping, bloating, nothing will come. And your digestion will be very strong. There will be no constipation also. Once you are away from bloating, burping, gas, acidity, constipation will not come. So digestion will be strong, happy, healthy. आप आराम से सब मील एंजॉय कर पाओगे. So chew well. Proper sound sleep. कैसे? बहुत से लोग कार्बोहाइड्रेट नहीं खाते हैं. मैं आपको बताऊंगी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में कार्बोहाइड्रेट का क्या रोल है साउंड स्लीप के साथ. Those people suffering from nasal congestion, उनकी नींद में रुकावट आती है, तो try to do steaming, try to do nasal steaming. And after dinner, try to sit in a Vajrasana, not to roam out of question. Inside home, still I counsel many people, after dinner they used to roam in the house. Why? And do not watch TV and news channel much. Especially when you are sitting in a Vajrasana. Just relax, either chit chat with your family members. Kids is a more relaxing part of our family. And second thing, जब आप जो आपका फेवरेट म्यूजिक है या इंस्ट्रूमेंटल लगा दीजिए या जस्ट आंखें क्लोज कर लीजिए. So these are important point which you need to take care. I heard many people suffering from cramps, muscles cramp. So muscles cramp will get because potassium losses. गर्मी का बहुत सीजन है, एंजाइटी भी है बॉडी में, सो पोटेशियम लॉस ज्यादा आता है. So try to consume every day नींबू का पानी जो आप घर में फ्रेश बना सकते हो. cheapest and the best source. You can have coconut water, but उसके लिए अभी limited राशन है हमारे पास. We cannot get coconut. So second option है नींबू पानी. Watermelon also you can consume, but that will be also limited in our house. You can have sweet lime also, that is also potassium rich source, but again that is the seasonal. So try to opt these healthy lifestyle. Alert mind and right decisions are very important. So if you do all these things, you can see the stages of health: preventive, curable, controllable, critical. Now we are in this stage: preventive, curable, controllable, critical. So as coronavirus pandemic is going on, let me guide you preventive rules. According to World Health Organization, according to Ministry of Ayush, according to ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, according to National Institute of Nutrition, there are 4 rules of COVID-19 prevention. Number 1, body hygiene. Overall body hygiene, especially hand hygiene and oral hygiene. Why I said oral hygiene? Because infection can spread through mouth. So oral hygiene is very important. Breathing yoga, indoor exercise, healthy lungs, blood circulation will be good. And this will, breathing yoga, exercise, indoor exercise will activate your happy hormones, endorphin, serotonin, which will give you mental health, self-confidence, alertness, happy feeling. De-stress yourself, very important, third point. Do meditation, listen good music, avoid junk food. I said आप गुलाब जामुन खा सकते हो, but वो कैसे खाना है वो ध्यान रखना है. So avoid junk food, because if you eat within 5 minutes junk food, your senses will not be satisfied and you will gulp extra amount, and that can create nutrient losses, and nutrient losses can reduce your immunity, and this can increase your anxiety and lack of sleep. So de-stress yourself, very important. And fourth and very, very, very important point, maintain immunity or boost immunity or enhance immunity. Immunity word is very simple, very small. And as the gentleman asked me before this webinar, how to increase immunity, any diet for immunity. There is no quick fix diet for immunity. There is no single superfood which can do wonders in a day, in a week, in a month. You have to eat balanced food. I'll explain in a simple language what is balanced food. Let me guide you. Personal hygiene, oral hygiene, and tongue cleaning is very important. So your taste bud will be alert and active. So जो भी आप खाओगे, आपका mind और आपका body satisfy होगा. Hand hygiene, everybody knows. There is no need to explain. Breathing yoga, meditation will increase your happy hormones, dopamine, endorphin, oxytocin, serotonin, which will keep your body active and alert, and confidence will be on a higher side, so no anxiety. Now we were talking about immunity. So boost immunity. How to boost immunity? As I explained, the gentleman asked me any diet, quick fix diet. I said, oh, there is no quick fix diet. So you remember these points, which I'm going to explain now. Antioxidants, vitamin A, E, and C, very important. Yaad rakhiye. You need to consume these 3 antioxidants: vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C. I'll explain broadly in the next slide what are the sources of vitamin A, E, and C. Second point, sip boiled water with medicinal herbs and spices. It will be boring if you sip every day same water. Try to make with this medicinal herbs and spices soup. तो आपको चाय की टेम्पटेशन भी नहीं होगी. अगर आप कभी-कभी मन करता है ना कुछ गरम-गरम ड्रिंक पीने का, तो try to make soup in that condition. So instead of making this boring boiling water of medicinal herbs and spices, try to explore yourself with the different type of combination of soups. Third, avoid acidity, indigestion. Hurry, worry, curry. हरी जल्दी जल्दी नहीं खाना है, चबा चबा के खाना है, चिंता नहीं करनी है. मैंने बताया आपको, अगर आपने गुलाब जामुन भी खाया तो एक बाइट 1/4 टीस्पून का जो गुलाब जामुन है, आधा गुलाब जामुन नहीं, 1/4 टीस्पून का गुलाब जामुन अपने मुंह में 20-30 सेकेंड तक रखिए, उसको आंख बंद करके एंजॉय करिए. लेट योर सेंसेस नो कि आप गुलाब जामुन खा रहे हैं, तो आप एक्स्ट्रा नहीं खाएंगे. तो वरी मत होने दीजिए, चिंता मुक्त होके खाइए. जब आप खाना खा रहे हैं तो प्लीज न्यूज चैनल मत देखिए, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कुछ भी होने दीजिए, खाना खत्म करिए फिर देखिए जो भी न्यूज देखना है. करी बहुत ज्यादा स्पाइसी, बहुत ज्यादा ऑयली खाना नहीं खाना है. आपके स्टफ करेला, स्टफ मिर्ची आप रोज तो नहीं खाते हैं. यू कैन हैव वंस इन ए वीक, एंजॉय इट, बट नॉट एवरी डे. तो बेसिकली तला हुआ बहुत ज्यादा तेल वाला खाना, करी आपको इंडाइजेशन देता है. सो थर्ड पॉइंट ये है. फोर्थ, आयरन रिच फूड विद विटामिन सी बायोअवेलेबिलिटी. हमारी रिसर्चेस बताती हैं जिनको हीमोग्लोबिन कम रहता है उनकी बॉडी में इन्फेक्शन रेट बढ़ता है. कोल्ड, कफ, फीवर फ्रिक्वेंटली दे यूज टू गेट. सो ट्राई करिए कि आपका बॉडी का आयरन लेवल नॉर्मल रहे, बिलो नहीं जाए. उसके लिए आयरन को एब्जॉर्ब कराता है विटामिन सी. तो विटामिन सी की मात्रा भी आपने सही मात्रा में लेनी है, देन इट विल गेट एब्जॉर्ब. आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस पॉइंट इन नेक्स्ट आयरन की स्लाइड में. Vitamin D rich food also very important, because vitamin D and supplement, rich food and supplement, because vitamin D rich food we have limited, so supplement is must. Although I never promote or induce or endorse any supplement just like that. It is always in a hospitalized and medical condition for any elder person, those who cannot chew or have variety of food, or for kids if they are not able to have certain food in that condition. Otherwise, supplements, vitamin D is must right now for everyone. Ask your physician as per your body, as per your lifestyle. You must start, because we all inside the home, we need good mental power. We don't need any back pain. We want our bone should be strong, so it's very important. Carbohydrate rich diet to get sound sleep. This I'll explain in next slide. Carbohydrate also part of your balanced diet. If you want to be slim and trim, you cannot go on some fashionable diet. I totally omit carbohydrate from my diet and I got this much kind of figures in my physique. No, it's not right to be for your mental health. Right quantity, fats, cholesterol, it's also very important. Good fat, bad fat, you should know what is good, what is bad, what is good cholesterol, what is bad cholesterol. Both are important for us. Which cooking oil we should use, right cooking techniques also very important. As I explained earlier, स्वीट पोटैटो को बेक करके खाइए, रोस्ट करके खाइए. अगर आप बॉईल करते हैं तो उनका ग्लाइसेमिक लोड बढ़ता है और वो अनहेल्दी हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज कुकिंग टेक्निक ऑल्टर केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ योर फूड. सो राइट कुकिंग मेथड very important for us. This is a $1 million question nowadays. What should we eat and how much should we eat? So what should we eat and how much should we eat? It is always depend on your customized physical and blood parameter, as per your age, as per your gender, as per your height, as per your weight, as per your fat percentage. as per your present health condition, as per your genes, as per your culture, as per your lifestyle, protein, carbohydrate, fat ratio will decide. So I'm not going to decide, none of the doctor will going to decide, your body will going to decide what should be the protein, carbohydrate and fat ratio for your body, PCF ratio, right? Balanced diet, whatever you are eating, macronutrient and micronutrient. Macronutrients are fat, protein and carbohydrate. Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. So this is called right combination for balanced diet. So for immunity, you have to eat balanced portion. So macronutrients, protein, fats and carbohydrate, they have different type of energy that I explained. Micronutrients of balanced diet, vitamin and minerals. Now, vitamins are two kinds. One is a fat soluble, second is water soluble. Fat soluble is vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin K. Water soluble, vitamin C, vitamin B complex. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? आपको मैंने भी बताया विटामिन डी का सप्लीमेंट अगर आप खाते हैं, so you have to take vitamin D with दही और मिल्क, जो कि आपके फैट के सोर्सेस हैं, because fat soluble vitamin will get absorbed through this only. So these are the segregation of fat solubles and water soluble. Water soluble vitamins हमको daily चाहिए होते हैं, because through our sweat, through our urine हमको रोज निकल जाते हैं. So we have to consume vitamin C and vitamin B complex in sufficient amount. चावल का पानी बहुत लोग वेस्ट कर देते हैं स्टार्च कहकर. It's full of vitamin B complex. Try to make steamed rice. Steaming, roasting, baking, always healthy cooking technique rather than boiling. So ध्यान रखिए, अगर आप कुकिंग टेक्निक अपनी अच्छी रखेंगे तो आप जो बना रहे हैं, आप जो खा रहे हैं, वो आपकी बॉडी पूरी तरह एब्सॉर्ब करेगी. Out of vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin E and vitamin C are antioxidant. From where you will get vitamin A? In simple language, I'll tell you. Just imagine all the red, yellow, green color fruits and vegetables. Pumpkin, mango, bell pepper, red, yellow, green. Different type of colorful vegetables, red, yellow, green, are richest source of vitamin A. So try to consume as much as. आपका breakfast, आपका lunch, आपका dinner, the portion should be as per your lifestyle and current physical and blood parameter. Vitamin E, all seeded vegetable, all seeded, जितने भी आपके पास marshmallow seed, watermelon seed, pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, flax seed, ये सारे seed richest source of vitamin E. Dry fruits, almonds, pistachio, cashew nut, peanuts, walnut, all dry fruits, vitamin E richest source. Vitamin C, जितने भी खट्टे fruits and vegetables हैं. Not only that, आंवला is the richest source of vitamin C. And उसके बाद आता है गुआवा का नंबर, पेरू, अमरूद जिसे बोलते हैं. एक पेरू इक्विवेलेंट टू 4 ऑरेंजेस विटामिन सी होता है. देन सिट्रस फ्रूट का नंबर आता है, रॉ मैंगो, मैंड्रीन, टैंजरीन, स्वीट लाइम, ग्रेप फ्रूट, पोमेलो, There are many. So as per season, आप विटामिन सी खाते रहिए, बट डेली खाना क्यों जरूरी है? बिकॉज मैंने बताया इट्स वाटर सॉल्युबल, आपकी बॉडी से रोज निकलता है तो रोज आपको लेना जरूरी है. सो दीज आर द एंटीऑक्सीडेंट विच कैन बूस्ट योर इम्यूनिटी, बट नॉट सिंगल. आपको पूरा होमवर्क करना पड़ेगा. जो मैं बता रही हूँ सुनते रहिए, सब इंटरलिंक्ड है, सब जितना भी टॉक एंड स्लाइड्स है, तो अगर आप पूरा सुनेंगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Medicinal herbs and spices, natural antibiotic, nobody can deny. Garlic has allicin compound, then lemongrass has triterpenoid, then ginger has gingerol, then haldi has curcumin. So these are natural antibiotics जो हमारी किचन में हमेशा रहती है. इंडियन किचन द मोस्ट हेल्दी किचन. जो इंडियन कल्चर है उसका फूड बहुत पावरफुल एंटीऑक्सीडेंट है हमारे रोज के डेली रूटीन में, बट हम उनको ध्यान न रखकर रैंडमली यूज करते हैं. एज आई सजेस्टेड यू, इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट ड्रिंकिंग बॉइल्ड वाटर आउट ऑफ ऑल दिस, ट्राई टू मेक टेस्टी हेल्दी सूप आउट ऑफ दैट. दैट विल गिव यू much better taste and much better absorption. So try to make all these medicinal herbs and spices part of your daily routine. Third, very important, as I explained you, acidity can reduce your immunity. So do not be in hurry. जल्दी जल्दी मत खाइए, वरी मत करिए, करी भी मत खाइए, बिकॉज ये चीजें आपको एसिडिटी क्रिएट करेंगी, बर्पिंग, ब्लोटिंग. Sprouted potatoes, if it's in your kitchen, try to avoid, try to throw, and उतना ही क्वांटिटी लाइए जिससे वो स्प्राउट ना हो पाए, because it has also some compounds, some toxins which creates acidity. अगर आपकी नींद पूरी नहीं हुई है, that anxiety also disturb your mind, and that will lead toward acidity and constipation. Chewing gum, teenagers, pet chewable item. So let me tell you, chewing gum give wrong signal to our stomach, something is coming. And stomach juice, strong acidic. They try to stimulate because उनको सिग्नल मिल गया है कुछ आ रहा है, but nothing has come. तो जूस हमारे ही स्टमक की वॉल पर अल्सर क्रिएट करता है. So try to avoid chewing gum, especially for teenagers. This message. चाय बहुत मन करता होगा, अभी अब सब लोग घर पे हैं, दिन की 4 चाय, 5 चाय, 2 कॉफी, 4 कॉफी. It hinder the iron absorption, number 1. अगर आप ज्यादा चाय लेते हैं, देखिए 1 or 2 cup of tea is fine, you can have. If you want more than 2 cup of tea, see, if you make buffalo milk tea, that will give you 98 calories and 3.2 gram fat. Cow's milk tea, 70 calories, 2.9 gram fat. Skim milk tea, 50 calories, 0.5 gram fat. Fresh lemon tea, 20 calories, 0 gram fat, because there is no milk. Because 1 teaspoon sugar only there. 1 teaspoon sugar, 20 calories, 0 gram fat. Fresh black tea, 20 calories, 0 gram fat. So try, if you want more tea, try to make fresh lemon tea, fresh black tea, rather than milk tea. And whenever you are making and you feel I'm feeling little bloated and I'm feeling little depressed, I need some tea, some kind of trigger in my body, try to make cream free milk ka chai. And very important. Do not mix sugar while boiling tea. Once you pour chai in your cup, that time you should mix whatever quantity of 1 or 2 teaspoons of chai, chammach or tea, sugar you want to mix, that time you mix. It alters the structure. Pure ghee, butter, coconut, sugar, heat से उनके structure change होते हैं and they will become bad instead of good. So try करिए. जिनका hemoglobin कम है, they should opt lemon tea and black tea rather than milk tea. If you have still tendency to drink 1 or 2 cup of tea, have it. But sugar का ध्यान रखिए. और ज़्यादा चाय गर्म पीने का मन कर रहा है कुछ. Actually अगर आप, if you see, it's just mindset. If you try soup that time instead of tea, 2 चाय पी ली बहुत है. उससे ज़्यादा मन कर रहा है, soup try करिए. That will also give you same feeling, same satisfaction. क्योंकि ज़्यादा चाय can be harmful. अगर आप black tea, lemon tea 2 से ज़्यादा ले रहे हैं, it will never harm. But अगर आप milk mix कर रहे हैं, it will definitely harm. So try करिए अपने calorie count को control करने का. Otherwise, it can harm on your hemoglobin. Now, fourth and very important point. For immunity, we need our hemoglobin on a normal side. Hemoglobin, iron make blood cells. So many blood cells, many type of. जब आप CBC करवाते हैं, complete blood count कराते हैं blood test में, तो बहुत सारी range आती है because that is so many. RBCs everybody knows. WBC को मैंने इसलिए pick up किया because this is called immune defense cell. And this immune defense cell increase our immunity. But हम daily routine में कुछ ऐसी चीजें कर जाते हैं जिनकी वजह से हमारे WBC count कम हो जाते हैं. There are many reasons, but few through food जो है वो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. People, those who are consuming frequently antacids, उनके WBC count कम रहते हैं, immune defense cells कम रहेंगी. Without knowing root cause, you are just mixing in your wheat atta or whatever you are atta खा रहे हैं, उसमें soybean mix कर रहे हैं. That is also contains some kind of inhibitors in soybean. So that can also reduce your WBC until unless it's required, it is diagnosed, the root cause is explained. तब तक soybean को mix मत करिए आटे में. If it's required, then it is important. If it's not, there's no need. Third point, vitamin B12 deficiency. Yes, vitamin B12 deficiency also weaken your immune system. Unnecessary chronic use of calcium and vitamin E also decreases your WBC count. And top of that, phytate and oxalate in grains and leafy vegetables, dark green leafy vegetables. That also decreases our WBC count. And हमारा iron low हो जाता है. तो अब क्वेश्चन आता है, what are the richest source of iron? ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन था, मेरा मन था I should ask from the audience side, but due to this kind of meeting we cannot ask, so let me tell you from your side. Some says green leafy vegetable, beetroot because लाल रंग का है, कलिंगर, दाड़म, pomegranate, अनार, apple, if it cuts it turn brown, banana also oxidize होता है जब air के contact में आता है, and potatoes. So normally people say these are the richest source of iron. As per medical nutrition science, Wrong. So they are richest source of many nutrients, but if they are source of iron, but iron will not get absorbed in the body because of certain reasons. What are the reasons? मैं बताती हूँ. See, आपने best quality of natural iron sources you had consumed, but there is two things: friend nutrients and enemy nutrients. When we are consuming green leafy vegetables by thinking palak ka soup, methi ki bhaji, it will increase our hemoglobin. No, that's wrong. That will give another nutrient, but not iron will not get absorbed in the body by green leafy vegetables, because green leafy vegetable has enemy nutrient interference, phytate and oxalate, which act as a villain, which will not allow iron to absorb in the body. Phytate and oxalate bind iron in the stomach only and do not allow to absorb by the body. So enemy nutrient की वजह से green leafy vegetable का iron हमको नहीं मिलता. Now, if we are consuming other nutrients, which is source of iron, which I'll explain in next slide, but those nutrients also require friend nutrient to get absorbed. Friend nutrients with iron, nutrient interaction with vitamin C. जैसे calcium and vitamin D friend nutrient है, ऐसी iron and vitamin C friend nutrient. So always remember, आप जब iron rich source खा रहे हैं, you must consume vitamin C also. What are the richest source of iron? Lotus stem, black peel, horse gram, kamalgatta, jaggery, dates, kurmura, bhuna chana, poha, kurmura laddu, kalonji, garden cress seed. These are the richest source of iron. But if you are consuming these things, you must take care about your bioavailability, absorption power. Bioavailability means absorption power. Iron bioavailability with rich source of vitamin C. What are the richest source? These are the richest source of vitamin C. The best combination you can see in down, poha with peanut, with the kalonji and with lemon. The richest source of iron and vitamin C. Green chutney, sukha, poha, bhel type. With these things you can consume the right combination, iron with vitamin C. Calcium, very important nutrient. But right time, right quantity and right quality is very important, and right combination. Right time. See, iron always gets absorbed in human body in the beginning of the meal, and calcium gets absorbed in the body after the meal. That's why in pregnancy, pregnant ladies have to consume iron tablet before meal and calcium tablet after the meal. And if you're taking calcium iron together, calcium will dominate, will not allow iron to get absorbed in the body. So, right time, right quantity. Extra quantity also can harm. So, as per age, जो आपकी उम्र है, बच्चा, adult, elder, सबके लिए प्रेग्नेंट, लैक्टेटिंग विमेन, सबकी उम्र के हिसाब से कैल्शियम की डोजेस, रिकमेंडेड डाइटरी अलाउंसेस फिक्स है. ना उससे ज्यादा, ना उससे कम. ज्यादा लेंगे तो टॉक्सिसिटी बढ़ेगी, कम लेंगे तो डिफिशियंसी आएगी. राइट कॉम्बिनेशन. विटामिन डी अगर नहीं लिया तो कैल्शियम विल नॉट get absorbed in the body as iron with the vitamin C, friend nutrient. So what are the richest source of vitamin D? You can see in the slide. And maximum आपका जो calcium होता है, that is taken by bone and teeth. 1% you will get only in your blood. Only 1% you will get in your blood calcium. Rest आपकी 99% आपकी बॉडी का कैल्शियम बोन एंड टीथ ले जाती है. और जब कमी होती है यहाँ से डिप्लीट होता है, इसलिए हमारी बोन और हमारी टीथ कमजोर पड़ जाते हैं. सो ध्यान रखिए, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, फ्रेंडली न्यूट्रिएंट बट एट सेम टाइम वेरी रिवेंजफुल ऑल्सो. सो यू हैव टू consume sensibly. So these are the richest source of vitamin D: fish, egg, cheese, milk product, butter. Sweet potato bhi hai iska vitamin D ka good source, and sunlight. Now sunlight, though sunlight through we can get production in our skin, but chunki we have a lot of pollution in metro cities, so in metros people cannot depend on sunlight. There are two reasons. One, angle of sun rays is very important, which we hardly get because of our lack of time and lack of जो भी हमारा routine रहता है. Second thing, हमारा एंगल डिपेंड करता है अगर पॉल्यूशन नहीं है. अगर पॉल्यूशन है हमारे शहर में तो हमको सनलाइट फायदा नहीं करेगी. विलेज रूरल एरियाज में ज़्यादा अच्छा एंगल मिलता है विदाउट पॉल्यूशन, इसलिए वहाँ के लोगों की विटामिन डी अच्छा रहता है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट कि हम डिपेंड हो सकते हैं. इफ वी आर इन रूरल एरिया, वी डोंट हैव पॉल्यूशन, वी हैव प्रॉपर सनलाइट, वी कैन इजीली गेट इट थ्रू अवर स्किन प्रोडक्शन अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज. बट अगर वी आर नॉट इन अ रूरल एरिया, इन मेट्रो सिटी एंड वेरी polluted city, we cannot depend. And second example, जो डार्क स्किन के लोग होते हैं उनकी शरीर में स्किन में मेलानिन पिगमेंट बहुत थिक होता है, तो सन रेज उसकी वजह से भी एंटर नहीं कर पाते. दैट विल हिंडर आल्सो. सो डार्क स्किन पीपल इन मेट्रो सिटीज, टेक केयर प्लीज. एंड ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अवर मेंटल हेल्थ, फॉर अवर बैकबोन, बैक पेन नहीं आना चाहिए, एंड फॉर अवर बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर, बोन पेन, बॉडी पेन नहीं होना चाहिए. विटामिन डी इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. डिप्लीशन ऑफ विटामिन डी, जितना ज्यादा आप पैकेट फूड पे डिपेंड होंगे, आपका राशन में जितने पैकेट फूड आएंगे लाइक टोमेटो सॉसेज, डिफरेंट, घर में आपने दही नहीं बनाई है, बाहर की दही आ रही है, कर्ड, योगर्ट बोलते हैं इसको, चिप्स, पैकेट फूड अगर आपके यहाँ ज्यादा आ रहे हैं, तो these things contain high fructose corn syrup, and that high fructose corn syrup decreases your enzyme 24 hydroxylase, and that will increase your enzyme 1 alpha hydroxylase, which will deplete your vitamin D from your body. अगर आप injections भी लेते हैं vitamin D के, still will not be sufficient. So try to reduce your packet. I'm not saying totally restrict. Nobody can restrict. लीजिए, but उसका एक मात्रा होती है, 30 माइक्रोग्राम यूनिट होता है. उससे ऊपर जाएगा then it will trouble. तो ठीक है, आपने टोमेटो सॉस 15 दिन में अगर एक बार लिया, बिकॉज 14 दिन तो आप ग्रीन चटनी अपनी फ्रेश बना ही रहे हैं, so that is okay, but frequency and quantity can vary. So please take care. Vitamin D can deplete through your ready-made packet food. Mental health, carbohydrate is responsible. So we cannot avoid carbohydrate. I heard from my client, from my patient, I feel very sad when they say ki we had done n number of diets throughout of my life. I didn't get a single result, or I totally omit my fat and carbohydrate from my diet. Still, the hardly I get any result. So carbohydrate is a macronutrient, very important part for your mental health. How? See, in our pituitary gland, we have neurotransmitter. Pituitary gland is behind, above the backbone, just starting of backbone, neck में होता है. So वहाँ पर एक neurotransmitter होता है, that is called serotonin. And serotonin is so important. It gives us sound sleep. It gives us self-confidence and keep our mental health very healthy. We'll feel confident. We'll feel relaxed through this only. So carbohydrate stimulate tryptophan to induce serotonin inside our body. And अगर ये कार्बोहाइड्रेट नहीं हुआ, tryptophan जो कि milk and milk product में होता है नहीं हुआ, that's what I'm against of this fashionable seasonal diets. Always I'm against कि मैं कार्बोहाइड्रेट नहीं खाया, मैंने फैट नहीं लिया अपनी डाइट में, I'm a vegan person, I don't take milk and milk product and animal food. ठीक है, certain amount you can omit, but not everything you can't. Tryptophan, which is responsible for stimulation of serotonin through carbohydrate. So you have to, if you need your mental health, you have to consume right amount of carbohydrate, and tryptophan should be inside your food. And so it will give you good amount of serotonin. So I am sure now nobody will omit milk and milk products and carbohydrate from that, because there are a lot of connection of hormones inside our metabolism. For example, अगर आप ठीक से नहीं सोते हैं, lack of sleep can induce your ghrelin. Ghrelin क्या करता है? हमको थॉट देता है, मेरे को ये खाने का मन कर रहा है, हमारे मन को कंट्रोल करता है और हम वो चीज खाते हैं. तो लेप्टिन क्या करता है? शांति देता है, सेटिस्फैक्शन देता है, खा लिया बस बंद करो. So these are the work from the hormone side inside our metabolism. And if we are not getting right amount of sleep, and there are a lot of hormonal changes in female body due to menstruation and menopause and many things. There are a lot of medical changes in female body. So it bother. Ghrelin will increase. So you will try to consume as much as, and leptin will not release the signal, you have to stop now. So ghrelin बढ़ जाता है and leptin कम हो जाता है. So you will not get right signal, you have to start and stop. And you keep on eating. So these are important points. The hormones and metabolism is a vast subject. Still I say I'm not feeling satisfied to explain. I need more time. But I think now we try to take the last stage of fat. It's very important. As I explained you earlier also, कि fat हमारी intestine को stimulate करता है to release a hormone cholecystokinin, which suppress our appetite and control our hunger. तो fat खराब कैसे होगा? Fat is very important nutrient जो हमको young look देता है, हमारी aging process को delay करता है, हमारे vitamins को absorb कराता है. It has lot of metabolism regulation inside of it. We cannot avoid this if you want shiny skin, right? You need to understand the quality and quantity of fat. Once you will understand the quality and quantity of fat, you will always make a friend and you can consume it happily and without any trouble. So there are two kinds of fat. One is visible, you can see in the screen, and invisible. Visible fat, vegetable oil, vanaspati ghee, pure ghee, butter. Invisible fat, non-veg item, nuts, milk and milk product, and your processed packet, chips and all. That is also invisible fat. Whatever you're eating, consume it. It will go into the liver. And now liver will decide, अगर liver healthy है, तो good cholesterol को good cholesterol बना के देगा, bad cholesterol को bad बना के देगा. और extra amount अगर आपकी body में है, तो liver उसको deposit कर देगा. तो liver should be alert and active for your fat metabolism. It's very important. So let me guide you about fat का different group. कोलेस्ट्रॉल. क्यों डरते हैं लोग कोलेस्ट्रॉल से? हम जब ब्लड टेस्ट कराते हैं तो उसकी नॉर्मल रेंज तो 200 मिलीग्राम आती है, राइट? क्यों नहीं 0 मिलीग्राम पर डीएल देते हैं जब इतना खराब है? तो क्योंकि still it has lot of work inside our body. Cholesterol help in growth and development in our children. It's very important. जब वो टीनेज में आते हैं उनके हार्मोन्स का प्रोडक्शन बराबर करता है, so सही तरीके से उनकी ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट होता है फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड टू एडल्टहुड. फॉर our body, it regulates hormones. Hormone regulation done by cholesterol. But we need to understand the cholesterol type. Then it will never be high inside your body. One, good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. जैसा कि नाम है, बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल को बैड क्यों बोलते हैं? लो डेंसिटी लिपोप्रोटीन को बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल क्यों बोलते हैं? इफ इट्स बिलो 90 इट्स नॉर्मल. If it's more than 90, it start accumulating within your arteries, cells, and tissue and obstruct the flow of blood. That's why we call it bad cholesterol. तो क्या नहीं खाएं जो हमारी बॉडी में एक्स्ट्रा बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल ना बने? Saturated fat. We have to control our saturated fat. Good cholesterol also there. I'll explain later. Let me explain first bad cholesterol. What is saturated fat? Now you can read. Saturated fat. There are two parts. Plant sources, coconut oil, coconut chutney, peanut, cashew nut, pista, vanaspati, palm kernel oil, vegetable margarine, bakery item में पड़ता है. So these are the plant sources. Animal sources are butter, pure ghee, cheese, cream, whole milk, milk product, red meat, mutton, beef, pork, liver, chicken, egg, and different type of fish. So ये item हमारे सामने है. Now, Indian Council Medical Research, as per ICMR, a person can consume 7% of the total calories these items. Now, you have to choose, if you are a non-vegetarian, whether you have to consume non-veg item or pure ghee. That you have to decide. अगर आप नॉर्मल हैं, आपको कोई कोलेस्ट्रॉल की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तो आप हफ्ते में 2-3 दिन नॉन-वेज खा लीजिए, हफ्ते में 2-3 दिन प्योर घी खा लीजिए. बट द मोमेंट आपका कोलेस्ट्रॉल ऑन ए हाई साइड आ रहा है, तो आपको एक चीज चूज करनी पड़ेगी. सो दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस. As per your lifestyle, as per your blood and physical parameter, you have to choose. So this is called saturated fat, which we will get through bad cholesterol. But it's not bad. Still, it has work inside our body. It has below 90 milligram per dl. It's not 0 milligram per dl is a normal range. So remember this point. That is important. Its name is bad cholesterol once you are exceeding the limit. And this is the way you can control your weight, as I explained. Now, good cholesterol, HDL, high density lipoprotein is a good cholesterol. 45 to 60 milligram per DL is a normal range for good cholesterol. What we should consume, which will increase or maintain our good cholesterol? Unsaturated fat. Unsaturated fat are two types. One is a polyunsaturated fatty acid, second is a monounsaturated fatty acid. In short, we call PUFA, MUFA. So let's see from where you will get this PUFA and MUFA. So let me guide you. Unsaturated fat. So now you can see PUFA, sunflower oil, soya bean, safflower is a curdy oil, sesame is till, cottonseed and corn oil. Monounsaturated, rice bran, MUFA, groundnut, mustard oil, canola oil, olive oil. Now, what we have daily, dal, chawal, roti, sabji, PUFA, we are getting through that. Okay. I support MUFA oil. Why? I'll tell you the scientific way in a simple layman language. I'm not endorsing any oil, but I'm just telling you the right information. Why I choose MUFA more? Because दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी में आपको प्यूफा मिल रहा है, जबकि म्यूफा you will get only through cooking oil and your dry foods. प्यूफा ऑयल जब हम हीट करते हैं, कुकिंग ऑयल को जब हम हीट करते हैं, हीट करना भी चाहिए, उसके बिना हमारा खाना नहीं बनेगा. एंड कुकिंग ऑयल की प्रॉपर्टी होती है उसको हीट करते हैं, बट प्योर घी, बटर एंड कोकोनट को हीट मत करिएगा, ये भी आएगा, मैं नेक्स्ट में बताती हूँ आपको. सो जब हम हीट करते हैं किसी कुकिंग ऑयल को तो ये जल्दी डिटेरियोरेट होता है, प्यूफा की प्रॉपर्टी है बाय नेचर. इट विल गिव स्मोक इमीडिएटली, मीन्स रेंसिडिटी बढ़नी शुरू हो गई. म्यूफा इज ए हाई स्मोकिंग पॉइंट, इट विल नॉट rancid so fast. That is MUFA property, high smoking point, PUFA property, low smoking point. And PUFA से अगर LDL कम हो रहा है तो HDL भी कम हो जाता है, as per our researches, scientific evidence. MUFA में दोनों बराबर रहते हैं, मतलब LDL भी कम होता है और HDL भी नॉर्मल रहता है. ऐसी हमारे रिसर्चर्स की एविडेंस है म्यूफा के लिए. सो आई टेल यू म्यूफा बेस्ड ऑयल यू मस्ट कंज्यूम. नाउडेज इन मार्केट नोबडी सेज मेरे ऑयल में कोलेस्ट्रॉल जीरो है, बिकॉज दैट इज बैंड बाय एफडीए. एफडीए ने रूल बनाया है कि नोबडी विल से मेरे ऑयल में कोलेस्ट्रॉल जीरो है, बिकॉज हर कुकिंग ऑयल की प्रॉपर्टी ही होती है उसमें कोलेस्ट्रॉल जीरो होता है. एज ड्राई फ्रूट में कोलेस्ट्रॉल जीरो होता है, हर ड्राई फ्रूट में कोलेस्ट्रॉल जीरो है. सेम वे किशु आपके इसमें भी जीरो होता है. सो यू मस्ट कंज्यूम एंड मस्ट यूज राइस ब्रैन, ग्राउंडनट, मस्टर्ड, कैनोला और ऑलिव ऑयल. So as per your liking, you can choose. Mustard का टेस्ट सबको पसंद नहीं आता है, so you cannot go for this. But जो लोग बनाना चाहते हैं, it's very good oil, groundnut and rice bran. But companies ने आजकल क्या किया है कि राइस ब्रैन और ग्राउंडनट और कैनोला और ऑलिव को मेन रखा है, उसमें मिक्स दूसरे ऑयल कर देते हैं. दैट इज फाइन, बट आपको क्या चूज चेक करना है जब आप मार्केट जाते हैं कि आपके कुकिंग ऑयल में म्यूफा बेस्ड ऑयल है कि नहीं. उसमें म्यूफा अगर मिक्स है दैट्स ओके. आपको चेक करना है म्यूफा बेस्ड, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, सैचुरेटेड फैट आपको चेक करना है. सैचुरेटेड फैट 18 to 24% होना चाहिए. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, यू नीड टू चेक. नाउ सम मिथ्स अबाउट कुकिंग ऑयल. मेरा है ऑयल में कोलेस्ट्रॉल जीरो है, मैंने पहले बता दिया है, ये चीज फॉल्स है. There are oil which are saturated fat free, again false. Saturated fat zero नहीं होता है. There is must be some kind of saturated level 14 to 24% होता ही है, तभी वो oil की कैटेगरी में, फैट की कैटेगरी में आता है. There are certain oil which are low in calories. Again सब ऑयल में एक चम्मच में सेम 45 कैलोरीज होती हैं. ऑलिव ऑयल इज द बेस्ट ऑयल. इट्स नथिंग, ऐसा नहीं है. अगर आप दूसरे ऑयल लेना चाहते हैं म्यूफा बेस्ड तो ले सकते हैं. ऑलिव ऑयल इज द बेस्ट ऑयल नहीं है, ऐसा ये एक मिथ है. आप उसी जगह ऑलिव्स भी खा सकते हैं क्योंकि ऑलिव ऑयल एक्सपेंसिव है. दूसरा इट्स मेनली फॉर गार्निशिंग. सो ट्राई करिए अगर आप ऑलिव्स खा सकते हैं. मिक्स एंड ब्लेंडिंग ऑफ डिफरेंट ऑयल एट होम. अगर आपने सुना कि भाई डिफरेंट ऑयल यूज करने चाहिए तो आपने पता लगा म्यूफा वाला एक थोड़ा सा एक चम्मच लिया, दूसरा चम्मच आपने प्यूफा कर लिया. दैट इज नॉट एडवाइजेबल एट होम. You cannot mix म्यूफा प्यूफा at home. The refinery only can do that for process. That is called processing. Misguiding food label. मेरे फैट में फैट फ्री है, कैलोरी फ्री है, ऐसा नहीं है. Again it is false. फैट के अलावा दूसरी कैलोरीज भी हो सकती हैं. So cooking oil, we cannot completely omit oil from our diet because oil contain essential fatty acid omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9 which require to perform certain vital activities in our body. If we will not take proper amount of oil, our body get reflects certain symptoms like drowsiness, tiredness, and fat soluble vitamin will not get absorbed in the body. So this is very important for us. 1 minute, I'll just on my battery, computer, laptop battery. Chandan, बिल्कुल noise नहीं. Sorry. So cooking oil also very important for us. हमको लेना है 3 to 4 teaspoon oil per day per person. It's important for everyone. आप मल्टीप्लाई करिए आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स कितने हैं घर में. 3 to 4 teaspoon oil per day per person is must. Apart from that, if you are a vegetarian, you can include 1 chammach teaspoon ghee. But ghee should be ghee. It should not be adulterated one. The room temperature पर pure ghee liquid and transparent होना चाहिए. If it's grainy, it's not a pure ghee. So ध्यान रखिए जो आप खा रहे हैं अगर उसमें adulteration है, that can bother you. So very important point, cooking oil must every day 3 teaspoon oil per day per person. Multiply with the family members, you can consume. Now cooking oil and techniques. मैंने जैसे बताया आपको कि आपका जो पोटैटो या स्वीट पोटैटो को अगर आप बेक करते हो, रोस्ट करते हो इंस्टेड ऑफ बॉइलिंग, वो हेल्दी होता है. बॉइलिंग करते हैं तो उसका जो स्ट्रक्चर है, उसका जो केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर है पोटैटो एंड स्वीट पोटैटो का, वो हेल्दी टू अनहेल्दी हो जाता है. सो कुकिंग टेक्निक बहुत जरूरी है हमको समझने के लिए. सेम थिंग हैपन विद कोकोनट. जैसे कि कोंकणी में बहुत सारे कोकोनट रेसिपीज होती हैं जो एंशियंट उनकी रेसिपीज हैं. अगर आप देखा जाए तो दे डोंट कुक विद कोकोनट, दे ग्रेट आफ्टर कुकिंग द रेसिपी. इफ यू बर्न कोकोनट, अगेन उसका मीडियम चेन ट्राइग्लिसराइड, उसका लॉरिक एसिड, उसका डिफरेंट जो गुड फैट है डिफरेंट. अगर मैं लॉरिक एसिड बोलूंगी तो मेनी पीपल विल नॉट बी नोइंग अबाउट दिस. आई विल एक्सप्लेन. गुड फैट बैड फैट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. So you need to understand, आपने कोकोनट खाना है which is a very very healthy thing. Half coconut for kids every day you can give. It is very good for kids growth and development and for pregnant lady and for lactating women also. So for the normal people we can have, as I can have this coconut 1/4 teaspoon हफ्ते में 4 से 5 बार easily. But there is no need to burn it. If you burn, good fat structure will change into bad fat structure. Burning of ghee, burning of butter, the same thing. आप घी को पोर करिए दाल में, घी को पोर करिए खिचड़ी में, घी को अप्लाई करिए चपाती पर, घी को अप्लाई करिए पराठे पर. If you are burning it, जो good fat structure है, it will change into bad fat. Same happen with butter also. अगर आपने टोस्ट पे बटर अप्लाई किया है, that's a healthy. आपने पाव के ऊपर, गरम गरम पाव के ऊपर बटर अप्लाई किया है, that is healthy. But if you are burning with butter, pav and bread, that's not healthy. That will bother you. Same thing happen. जितना आप baked, roasted, grilled cooking technique use करेंगे instead of boiling, वो आपके लिए healthy रहेंगे. Omega-3 fatty acid, some healthy food item which you can easily quickly अपने घर में रख सकते हैं. Seeds रखिए, आपके white seed, black seed, flax seed रखिए. Olives रख लीजिए, olive oil की जगह olives खा लीजिए. Black olives and purple olives आते हैं. Almonds है, walnut है, egg है, fish है, avocado है. These are all richest source of omega-3 fatty acid, alpha-linolic acid, which is also very healthy. बहुत से लोग पूछते हैं मेरे घर में ड्राई फ्रूट्स हैं, मैं कितने ड्राई फ्रूट्स खा सकता हूँ. तो आई एम शोइंग यू हियर ग्राफ. एज आई मेंशन यू, कुकिंग ऑयल हैज जीरो कोलेस्ट्रॉल. सेम वे all the nuts have zero cholesterol. None of the nuts has a single amount or single milligram of cholesterol. It's zero cholesterol. You need to check only saturated fat. You can see here in the graph, peanuts has saturated fat, almonds also has, cashew nut also have, pista also have, walnut also have. But can you see almonds and walnut has limited amount, very comparatively others. Blue color is a MUFA, which is again good cholesterol का source है. PUFA also good cholesterol का source है, is unsaturated fat. So you can see the right combination. अगर आपको cholesterol high नहीं है, आप tablet नहीं ले रहे हैं, तो सारी चीजें peanuts, almond, cashew nut, pistachio, walnut आप सब खा सकते हैं fistful. But अगर आपको cholesterol की medical history आई है, tablets हैं, तो safest mode है almonds and walnut. Quantity and frequency as per your current lifestyle, current physical and blood parameter. But you can eat definitely. So don't get into trap of nut has cholesterol. So now let me tell you basic rule of de-stress yourself. Eat home cooked food. Avoid raw food like salami है, आपका salads हैं जो raw food के category में आते हैं. Try to avoid. Wash fruits and vegetable. Food packets like milk packet thoroughly. मैंने बताया आपको बेकिंग सोडा, सॉल्टी वाटर एंड पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट से आपके फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल को आप अच्छे से धोइए. अवॉइड हरी वरी करी. ईट फ्रीक्वेंट एंड स्मॉल हेल्दी मील्स टू अवॉइड क्रेविंग. अवॉइड जंक फूड, फैटी फूड. डू नॉट स्किप मील. रिड्यूस इम्यूनिटी. चूज लेमन टी, ब्लैक कॉफी और ब्लैक टी instead of milk tea or milk coffee. Avoid alcohol and smoking will lower your immunity. Switch to carbohydrate-rich diet, which will induce your sound sleep. Breathing, yoga, meditation, laughing, listening to music induce happy and healthy hormones, which will keep you relaxed and give you self-confidence. Thank you. I'll just take 1 minute more. I'll just show you some of my results. Dr. Farah Mistry, she has got this kind of result, and what she says, you can go on my fan page on Google also, you can type my name, you will get these stories there. What is the improvement within 1 month with nutrition therapy? Energy levels 100% high, sleep improved, acidity, headache, constipation, bloating after meal, dark ocular circles, backache, migraine, waist circumference, anxiety has gone. You can see the difference in lipid profile, which we had done through food only. This is just power of medical nutrition therapy, just with the food. There is no supplement, there is no medicine involved in that. And you can read her verbatim on Google or my fan page. You can see Shazab Patel, 50 days with this young man, 28 years, civil engineer, got from 246 to 98 normal sugar, from abrupt sugar till here. You can see this story also on my fan page or Twitter or Instagram or on Google. So I'm just closing it. Dr. Shubhangi Goyal, 5 months. This is fabulous result. This girl again still reducing in lockdown time, and she's so happy with her feedback. She calls me auntie, and I love to hear because she is just 23, 24-year girl, and Dr. Nupur is 45, 46. So I accept this auntie word from her, and I love her feedbacks always, and this is the kind of feedback she has given. Dr. Shubhangi Goyal, we're proud of you. Dr. Farah Mistry, we're proud of you. Shadab Patel, civil engineer, 28-year guy, really proud of you. And this Tanya Joshi, she recently married in January, and she also got fabulous results. This is the way, the power of nutrition and medical nutrition therapy. And thank you so much. I'm sure everyone relaxed and got a lot of knowledge through this presentation, though it has gone little lengthy, but I feel it's needed. क्या बोलते हो आप, Dr. Professor Poonam Bajaj? What you will say?
It was a lovely session.
Thank you.
It was, what do I say? I got to know a lot of things which I never knew. And it was really nice. I mean, a lot of things जैसे चाय बनाते वक्त sugar नहीं डालनी चाहिए, and that little tip of saying कि अगर you're suffering from chronic diseases, like diabetes, अगर मीठा खाना है तो आधा ही खाओ लेकिन relish करके खाओ. It was a lovely tip, and I'm sure मेरे जितने भी बच्चे हैं, they must have enjoyed it, and you had actually done a revision of Mufa Poofa for them. So lovely. But ma'am, it's just that I cannot continue with this question now because we have left with only 1 minute. I'm so sorry, ma'am. But
okay.
we're really grateful
Anybody has
for
questions,
you.
they can write me mail and I'll reply. I'll try to reply on that.
Sure, ma'am.
You can
Thank
go
you
on
very much.
Go on
you
my
very
fan
much.
page or Twitter or Instagram. I'll reply.
School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies for such a lovely session. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Wish you all very healthy lives. Stay at home, stay healthy and happy and safe. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.